Welcome, welcome. Hey, y'all. 100 Days of School Walking Team. Let's get
Hey
started.
y'all, hey YouTube channel and my Facebook group
You say the baby needs a cane for 100 days of school? I got you. Down to the supply basement we go. Okay. We got this. We got the elbow and the two end pieces, and we got the PVC. PVC is too tall. We're going to make this 2 feet. So, Jasmine got my PVC cutter. So, I'm going to see what this little saw from the Dollar Tree going to do. Okay, got to work with what I got. This is not how you supposed to do this, but this baby need this Friday, so it's Wednesday night, and I need to make it tonight because it needs to be dry, so. Dollar Tree, whatever this damn thing called. Let's see if it gonna work. Oh. Hey. Pretty good. Okay. Got to do one more cut because we're gonna need a handle. So got that. Gonna need a handle, and I'm gonna say the handle. Let's see. How long do I want that handle? She a baby, so. Will 4 inches be too long? Nope, we're gonna do 4 inches. Uh-oh, this hard. Okay. I had my arm on the last. Oh, wait. No. Okay. Don't cut your hand, Stephanie. There we go. Yeah. All right. See how this little cane finna look. There you go, spray paint. There we go. There we go. Okay. Spray painting. Okay, so I just taped it onto my spraying table. Put some white on there because my PVC pipe has some words on it. Now I'm just going to spray paint it. Nothing special.
You want something special. Trying to create.
Okay, there she go. I'm going to let it completely dry tonight. Then I'll put the caps on. I made the caps pink because I did not have enough pink to do the cane. It's going to be cute. Once it dries, you just pop it together. This one I put a little bling to it. The little girl is a princess now, so at 100 years old, we know she's gonna be a princess. But there's your PVC pipe cane for 100 days of school. I think it's so cute. I even found her some little glasses.
Create something nice. Just
Thank
pick
you
up
for
a
watching this
pencil.
video. For all returning subscribers, welcome back. For those of you that are new, please hit that subscribe button. For everyone, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Please share these videos with your friends and family. I really appreciate you. See you next time.
I can make a thing of beauty and then pass it on to you. It's Double J Graphics. Double J.